Hi guys, and welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel. And in today's video, I want to share with you how you can make money with YouTube. Okay, now you can be in any niche, whether it's whatever you're passionate about. You want to pick something that you're passionate about. It could be dogs, it can be fitness, it can be you can be like passionate about your pets or whatever, and know some information about the particular animal. It can be cats, it can be pets, or it can just be a vlog of your channel. But how you make money with this is you want to become an affiliate for products. Now, even vloggers, like that vlog about their lifestyle or whatever, how they make money is through promoting affiliate products. For example, if they are using a very nice camera that they recommend, then they can promote that camera as an affiliate. Or for example, if it's a pet channel, like if it's your pet and your pet is eating a certain food, and they recommend that food, like let's say the pet really likes the food, so they would recommend it as an affiliate for people that have pet owners or whatever. So literally, you can go about it any way when it comes to affiliate marketing, in any niche, in any type of niche. You can literally make money with affiliate marketing. Okay, so that's the cool thing about affiliate marketing and YouTube. So you want to be posting consistent content every single day. Now, the question is, what if you run out of content or you don't know what to post? Well, I'm going to share with you how you can find endless content, okay, that people are literally typing in to Google and asking questions. And through those asking questions, you can actually find what people want answers for, okay? So the website is it's answer Socrates. Okay, now we're going to go to answer Socrates.com, and that will basically pull up a whole bunch of questions. Now we can type in anything. Let's say if we have a pet channel, let's say we have a dog channel. Okay, so it can be like, we can type in dogs. Now this is for the US. Which breed of dog is most dangerous? Okay, so that's a popular question. Is a dog a good pet? So these are like the Google trends for this particular keyword, dogs. These are the type of things that people are searching on Google. Can dogs eat grapes? That's a very good one that you can answer a question on, dogs can dogs eat tomatoes? So these are basically people that probably have a pet dog and want to know if it's safe for them to give their dog certain foods, because some foods are dangerous to your dog. So you have to be really careful. Obviously they have to be careful, and they know that, so that's why they're researching it. So you can literally do the research and find those answers and then make a video on it. That's if you run out of content, because sometimes what happens is you do so many videos that you just don't know what to write anymore. So basically, this will give us endless amounts of ideas of what our content is going to be about. Okay, we can have I can do 1,000,001 examples for you on this website, but obviously I want to keep this video short. But do you see the power in this, guys? So the whole there's no excuse for you to be like, oh, I don't know what to write, I don't know, I don't have any more ideas. This website will give you endless amount of ideas on what people are searching, so that you can create content on that. Because at the end of the day, marketing is all about entrepreneurship, and marketing is all about problem solving. Someone has a problem, and you basically give them a solution to their problem. And then, like, if you do a video, for example, about can dogs eat tomatoes, and then you've got the answer to that, at the end of that video you can share with them some kind of product where it's a food product that's going to be beneficial to them, like it's a healthy product that is good and nutritional for dogs, good for their teeth, good for their bones, good for their health in general, and make affiliate commissions on this. It's a no-brainer. Like, there are so many products out there that will pay you just to promote their product and for people to buy through you. And yeah, that's basically in a nutshell how you do it. And How do they promote from you? Usually they give you an affiliate link, okay? So when you log in, as when you sign up as an affiliate, then they'll give you a link, okay? An affiliate link, and you put that link in the description of the video that you're giving them tips on, okay? And when you're promoting the, the product, whatever it is, you've got your affiliate link at the bottom of the video. Now this is what all YouTubers do to promote their products, and that's basically how they generate income with YouTube. Now obviously the more views, the more targeted views that you're going to get, the more money you're going to be able to make, right? So, I mean, you can even make money on the views itself. I wouldn't completely rely only on that, because some people's channels are not even monetized, as in like they're not even getting paid for the views because they're not up to that level yet, or they're getting very, very small pennies for their views, but they're still making a killing with their YouTube channel. Why is that? Because they are promoting products as an affiliate. Okay, so you want to be affiliate marketing and promoting your products using the power of YouTube and video marketing. Okay, so I hope this video has brought you some value today, and please do like, comment and subscribe, and I will catch you in more upcoming videos. Take care for now. Bye bye.